welcome to another edition of What's Cooking. I'm Billy.
And I'm Diana.
And today we're making Salmon Fresh Mex Bowl. Okay, to make the salmon bowl, we're going to start with some white rice at the bottom. Next we have some mixed greens. And then we have a corn salsa, which is comprised of corn, chopped red onion, chopped tomato, and cilantro. Next we have some baked salmon. Place that right there, and we're going to top it with cheddar jack cheese, fried corn tortilla strips, and then we'll finish with an avocado lime ranch. This will be available in our bistro and cafe on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Thank you for watching.